Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make snowflakes, and these are super simple to make and it's so festive for the holidays. You can hang them up on your window and just throughout your house. So let's get started. So the only supplies you need is a pen, a pair of scissors, and a piece of white paper. The first thing you have to do is get your piece of paper, and we're gonna have to make a square out of this piece of paper. Can you tell me what shape this is? That's right, a rectangle. So we're gonna get our rectangle piece of paper, and first we're gonna take this corner and fold it down so the sides align, and then we're gonna take this top and fold it down. And as you can see, the two shapes is a triangle and a rectangle. So now we're gonna take our pair of scissors. I have grown-up scissors, so you might want to get your own pair of scissors, or you can get a grown-up to help you. And we're going to cut along this line. So now that we cut off the rectangle, we're left with a triangle. And if you unfold it, you can see that it makes a square. So now we're going to fold it in half and in half again to get our triangle back. And you're gonna fold this in thirds. So you're gonna take the top corner and you're gonna fold it over. And you can see that the top part is exactly where we fold it over. And now you're just gonna take this right hand side of the triangle and fold it over. And you're left with this. So now that you have your triangle folded like this, I drew a line to show you where you're supposed to use your scissors to cut across. It goes from the left side corner all the way directly to the right side, forming a straight line right here. And you're just gonna cut that part off. And now you have this triangle. So now that you have this triangle, it's time to cut out the fun shapes. I decided to cut where I drew the black triangles, and I'm gonna use my scissors and just cut that part out. As you can see, I cut the black shading part out, so now it's time to unfold to see our snowflake. And this is the snowflake we made. I hope you guys had a great time learning how to make these snowflakes. Unfortunately, I don't have tape in my house, but you can use tape and hang them throughout your house and on your window.